A 7-year-old child presents to you with history of high-grade continuous fever since last 2 weeks, and you could appreciate is a toxic look and hepatosplenomegaly. The blood culture of patient taken 1 week back turns to be positive. What is the most likely diagnosis? Enteric fever. A 3-year-old male child is brought in emergency with 24 hours history of fever and breathing. On examination, he is febrile and toxic. He is sitting, leaning forward with drooling from his mouth. His respiratory rate is 50 per minute. What is the most likely diagnosis? Acute epiglottitis. A 65-year-old man with hypertension presents with lower abdominal pain and back pain. A pulsatile abdominal mass is palpated lateral and superior to the umbilicus. What is the single most discriminating investigation? Abdominal ultrasound for aortic ruptured aortic aneurysm. A man with prostatic heart valve underwent hemicolectomy and after some days complains of left hypochondriac pain, fever, and has a systolic murmur. What is the next investigation to ascertain the cause of heart failure? Blood culture. A 67-year-old man presents with palpitation. ECG shows an irregular rhythm and heart rate 140 beats per minute. He is otherwise stable. BP 124/80. What is the most appropriate management? Bisoprolol. A 67-year-old man had successful thrombolysis for inferior MI 1 month ago and was discharged after 8 days. He is now readmitted with pulmonary edema. What is the most probable diagnosis? Mitral valve prolapse. A 50-year-old man has a stab wound to his left anterior chest at the level of 4th ICS. He has a systolic BP of 80, pulse 130. His neck veins are dilated and his heart sounds are faint. His trachea central. What is the most appropriate diagnosis? Cardiac tamponade. A 40-year-old man collapsed at home and died. The GP report says he suffered from NIDDM and a BMI of 35. What is the most likely cause of his death? Myocardial infarction. A 54-year-old patient presented 7 days after a total hip replacement with acute onset of breathlessness and raised JVP. Which of the following investigation will be most helpful in leading to diagnosis? CTPA. A 50-year-old woman was found collapsed at home. Paramedics revived her, but in ambulance she had a cardiac arrest and could not be saved. The paramedics report that the woman was immobile lately due to hip pain and that they found ulcer on medial side of ankle. She had NIDDM and was on antidiabetics. What is the cause of her death? Pulmonary embolism. A 58-year-old diabetic on antihypertensive therapy for 13 years developed central chest pain for 45 minutes while driving along with cold sweating and dyspnea. What is the single most appropriate diagnosis? MI. A 50-year-old woman returned by air to UK from Australia 3 days later. She presented with sharp chest pain and breathlessness. Her chest X-ray and ECG are normal. What is the single most appropriate investigation? The answer is CTPA because it is also a scenario of pulmonary embolism. A 48-year-old presents with severe chest pain since the last 40 minutes in the emergency department. He is given oxygen, GT and morphine. ECG shows S elevation. Blood shows increased troponin. What is the next step? Management in emergency. Percutaneous angiography. A 65-year-old man with hypertension develops gingival hyperplasia. What is single most likely cause? Nifedipine. A 65-year-old woman is undergoing coronary angiography. What measure will protect her kidneys from contrast? 0.9% saline. A 53-year-old had a dental extraction after which he recently had a mitral valve prolapse, temperature of 39. Cardiac failure and new cardiac murmur. What is the single most likely diagnosis? Infective endocarditis. A 47-year-old African Caribbean man is found to have BP on three separate occasions. What is the best initial treatment? Calcium channel blocker. Because he is African Caribbean man. वाहिद जो है ना अफ्रीकन कैरेबियन मैन होते हैं जिसमें जो है हम एस इनहिबिटर से स्टार्ट नहीं करते. We gave them calcium channel blockers. A 60-year-old lady has a severe chest pain. ECG shows changes of inferior wall. MI ECG also progressive prolongation of PR interval until QRS complex is dropped. What is the most probable diagnosis? Mobitz type 1 second degree heart block.